So we're gonna go eat dinner at Avant Garden restaurant, and Nisha Vora from Rainbow Plant Life is gonna actually be the cook. Isn't that kind of crazy?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's gonna be awesome.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome. What are your names?
Rock and Gault.
Congratulations on the book. Awesome. We saw it also in Barnes and Noble up where we live on the Upper West Side. But, I just want to say, we do watch your videos and you're just awesome. It's amazing how your channel has grown so much. I'm just amazed. Like, how do you think that happened?
I think just the passion for what I do is just very obvious, and I really want to share how to cook with people, and I really want to show people how to make plant-based food taste amazing, and just sticking to what I love and being passionate about it. I hope that resonates with people.
Yeah, I think it does, because what I love about your videos is that you're not just teaching people to cook, you're making it fun, and you're including your family, your parents in there, and it's just a really awesome thing. So we appreciate it.
I appreciate that.
All right, well, you got a line.
Yes.
All right, so it was kind of cool meeting Nisha, wasn't it?
Yeah, she's very, very sweet.
Very nice person. And let's have a good meal. So this is whipped ricotta toast with figs in it. What do you think?
It's really yummy.
Yeah, looks it. Next course, roasted beets and pistachio butter.
What do you think of the beets?
All right, let's see how this is. That is awesome.
Yeah.
It tastes so good.
I tasted the pistachio butter and it's really good.
Yeah, it's amazing. Next up, charred cabbage with tomato sauce. What do you think of the cabbage?
She knows how to make cabbage taste really, really good.
It's interesting hearing what people think. So special for me to be able to meet you all in person. When I'm in my kitchen creating recipes or making videos, I hope that people enjoy my work, but I don't often get to actually meet the people who make my recipes or watch my videos, and so it's just really, really special to meet you in person and talk to you and hear about, the things you like and how you found my work, and it's just such an honor, and I'm so grateful that you took time out of your busy schedules to be here and to spend the evening with us. And a special thank you to Avant Garden for hosting this. If some of you may know this, but I used to live in New York City, and this was my favorite restaurant when I lived here. It was the first restaurant that really showed me when I first went vegan that plant-based food could be extraordinary, it could be special, it could be innovative, it could be inspiring. And it was definitely part of my journey to learning how to cook with plants and to make them exciting. And a big part of that journey was writing this cookbook that you all have, and I'm really excited to have the menu today. It's all dishes from the cookbook that celebrate plants, and I hope you have been enjoying it. So I just wanted to say thank you for joining us, and eat, drink, be merry, and thank you for being here.
So this is the deconstructed mushroom shawarma.
All right, what are you doing over there?
Well, it comes with pita bread, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in the pita bread and then give it a try.
Okay.
That's a mighty fine mushroom shawarma. Buttermilk fried mushroom.
I'm gonna try. This is tough. I am so full.
Yeah, 6 courses is a lot.
But that's stinking good.
Now that is a dessert. That is amazing.
That is
believe it's
amazing.
vegan.
Really good.
It's incredible. So what'd you think?
It was like really, really good. It was over the top. Everything was really
Yeah, I thought it was over the top. It's just amazingly delicious. Nisha is amazing, and her cookbook is amazing. We're gonna cook up some stuff, and this is a great night. We had a lot of fun. Now, when it says big vegan flavor, this is the biggest cookbook I think I've ever seen. And there is a picture of Nisha on the back, but we're gonna go through this cookbook and we're gonna make some of this stuff. Well, that's a wrap on this video, and if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you know anyone who can use this video, in this channel, you could share it with them. And if you have any comments or questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. And if you hang on, 2 videos will pop up any moment, and you can click on those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I will see you all next time.